Something else that most amateurs and beginners really do not give enough attention to is the scenes. Scenes play such an important role in telling your story, in introducing your characters. And that is not only through the actions, but also through the dialogue that they speak. I am Isaac, and this is how to write a screenplay, a step-by-step guide. Scenes play such an important role in telling your story. And the reason for that is, even though every scene is and should be a short film on its own that tells its own story, that story in your scene should and must be connected to your story and your plot. If there is no connection between any scene and story and plot, there's no need for that scene to be in your screenplay or your film. It does not drive your story, it does not drive your plot, it does not help your narrative. Remember what I said in the beginning? That line that goes from the beginning through to the end of your screenplay or your film is very important in your narrative. And any scene that don't tell anything about your plot, story, or characters has no need to be in that screenplay or film because it plays no role in the narrative. To understand this, let us go back to Titanic. Now, many people after watching Titanic asked this question, and some people still ask it today: was it really necessary for Jack to die in Titanic? It was a big part of Rose's story. It was a big part of the love story between Jack and Rose. But the most important thing was Rose's story. You see, in Titanic, Rose had to start to learn to stand on her own 2 feet. And Jack was instrumental in helping her to learn that. And in the end, that scene where Jack died, if you listen carefully to what is said in that scene, if you watch the movie carefully and you watched Rose's story in Titanic, you would see why that scene, that specific scene was so important and why Jack had to die in Titanic. Jack played the role of Rose's mentor. Basically, he was teaching Rose about life, teaching her to stand up for herself, teaching her to stand up for what she wanted. And the love story brought Jack and Rose together. But the question was it necessary for Jack and Rose to be together in the end? And the answer is no, because it was important for Rose's story that Rose had to continue her life on her own after Titanic. It was very important. Rose had to fulfill the lessons that she learned. She had to do things on her own. She had to take on life on her own. And if Jack did not die, she would not have had that chance. Jack would have been basically a crutch in her life. The role of a mentor in life is to teach you things, skills, knowledge, help you to develop your own experiences to learn from. But the mentor cannot be there forever. You have to come out of under the wings of the mentor. You have to take life on your own. And if Jack did not die, Rose would not have had that chance. And even Jack said in Titanic that it was so important for Rose to live, even if he died. And that was so important. Rose would never have known if she could make it on her own without Jack, if Jack lived. The lessons that Jack taught her would have meant nothing if they stayed together. Remember, Rose had to escape from the tyranny under which she was living. Cal and her mother determined her life. They decided what she could do and not do, together with the rules of the society they were living in. And Rose wanted to break out from that. And for that, she had to go it on her own. And that was why it was so important for Jack to die in Titanic. Rose had to find out if she could tackle life and live life on her own, because her whole life decisions was made for her, not by her, for her. And living her life without Jack, she would be forced to make decisions for herself. So, as you can see, scenes are very important because scenes give certain information. Information about your story, information about your plot, information about the conflict, information about how the conflict is resolved, but most of all, it gives information about your characters. And your characters drives your plot and your story. You cannot have a plot or story without characters. Hi, I'm Isaac, and this is How to Write a Screenplay, a step-by-step guide. In the next episode, we will go a little deeper into narrative as we go and look at plot, story, and your narrative, and why narrative is so important to understand your plot and your story. Until then, good writing.